Welcome to our channel. Setting up Nextcloud as your private cloud storage solution gives your family complete control over your files while providing features similar to commercial services like Dropbox or Google Drive. Step 1. Choose your hosting option, either setting up Nextcloud on a home server, Raspberry Pi, or renting a virtual private server from providers like DigitalOcean or Linode. Step 2. Install the required software, including a web server, database, and PHP on your chosen platform, or use a pre-configured Nextcloud image to simplify installation. Step 3. Download and install Nextcloud by following the official installation wizard, which guides you through the setup process. Step 4. Create an admin account during installation and secure it with a strong password that will manage your entire Nextcloud instance. Step 5. Configure storage by setting up where Nextcloud will store files, either on internal drives or connecting external storage locations. Step 6. Set up SSL encryption using Let's Encrypt to ensure all data transferred to and from your Nextcloud server is secure. Step 7. Create user accounts for each family member with appropriate storage quotas and access permissions. Step 8. Install Nextcloud clients on family members' computers and mobile devices, allowing automatic file synchronization. Step 9. Enable useful features like calendar syncing, contact management, and photo backup, which make Nextcloud a complete family productivity solution. Step 10. Set up automated backups of your Nextcloud data to prevent loss in case of hardware failure or other issues. Your family's private cloud storage is now operational and secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.